Tomorrow and even into Tuesday, we're going to be well above average. Even into Wednesday, now that I'm thinking about it, we have a nice stretch here. So if you're not quite ready to transition into those cooler temperatures, kind of came really fast. Last week, we had those very cold temperatures. And of course, we all remember those spotty snow showers on Halloween. Well, it looks a little spooky out there this morning, but temperatures will actually start to warm back up. You're looking live up the I-65 corridor at Whitestown, where dense fog has settled in to a good portion of central and northern Indiana. This is up US 31 in the Westfield area, where dense fog has moved in. And that's because we've got some changes when it comes to our air temperature. The ground has been cold, so now that this more mild air mass has settled in, the sky has cleared out. All good conditions coming together to create some foggy areas, and that's certainly the case out there right now. That's why this dense fog advisory will be in effect through 10 o'clock this morning for everybody essentially outside of the Indianapolis metro. So a foggy start to our day. Temperatures have been dropping into the 30s, but want you to keep in mind, because of that time change, the sun is going to be coming up much earlier, just after the 7 o'clock hour today. So once the sun comes up, we'll start to warm up the surface temperatures and kind of mix out that foggy layer. 49 and sunny by 10 a.m. We'll go 60 for a high later today in Indy, 58 from Kokomo over to Richmond, and up to 60 in Shelbyville as well. We take you into the evening tonight, and I know it's the first day we're going to see this. Kind of gets us all in that winter mindset, but the sun today will set at 5:39. Something to keep in mind. But temperature wise, we're actually going to feel pretty good even once the sun goes down. We will slowly drop back through the 50s, eventually into the 40s to get tomorrow started. And with increasing clouds on Monday, as well as some very strong winds on Monday, temperatures will actually get back near 70. So we're talking nearly 15 degrees above average to get the work week underway. 66 in Muncie tomorrow, 69 in Greencastle, and forecasting 70 for that high here in the Indy metro. So this is how this is all going to play out. We actually got a warm front that's going to lift in that will change our wind direction around come Monday afternoon. So wind gusts in excess of 35 miles per hour, certainly going to be a possibility. Keep that in mind. Warm but windy. We do stay mostly dry on Monday, and then we'll have a cold front that will sink in. That might squeeze out a stray shower during the early morning hours on Tuesday. Going to keep some coarse clouds around because of that, but you'll definitely notice where that boundary stalls out. It will be much cooler to areas north, more mild to areas south, and that will be the trend as we get you into Tuesday as well. And then eventually into the middle part of the week, that cold front will officially slide out of here and the temperature will start to drop. So a nice mild stretch starting today, taking us back to 70 tomorrow, still 68 with some increased clouds on Tuesday. Much warmer on Wednesday. That will be the warmest of the week, but then some evening showers will accompany that cold front coming through. Most of the rain will be out of here by Thursday, but look at your falling temperatures, 60 there, and then it will be sunny and seasonal as we drop into the mid 50s for Friday into the start of next weekend.